I have a large destructive tornado on the southwest side of Joplin.
Take shelter now. It looks like this is a pretty powerful tornado. You can see that it was taking out those transformers.
Absolutely.
It continues to push off to the east in Joplin.
Today we find ourselves on the back end of a natural disaster that wrought more chaos and havoc than we've ever seen before in our lives. It may seem chaotic until we get all our buildings rebuilt and restored, and you may find classes meeting locations you hadn't expected, but we will have school on August 17th.
The first thing we wanted to do was make sure that all of our students and our faculty members and staff members were well. The next thing was trying to figure out what we were going to do to have school.
That mall was turned into a classroom. The food court became a cafeteria.
Now that we've been in this new location, in this new building, I never want to go back to the old way of doing school.
I really didn't want to go to school at the mall, but now that I've been here a year and I've seen everything that they've done for us, it's made my high school experience so much cooler.
We knew that we had to get this job done. We had 55 days to do it. The local contractors that worked on this project were amazing. They understood the importance of this being something that would bring about a sense of normalcy for our community.
The fact that we were able to come in and use an existing building was the fact that we already had a mechanical system. We also had a ceiling grid that we wouldn't have to tear out. The design process on this facility was really quite incredible. Overnight, a design drawing was done and shown to the district staff the next morning. We set up meetings to have kind of a show and tell with some kids. We showed them some of the design concepts and ideas. They all cheered and raved and tweeted to their friends, all excited about it. The next day, on a Friday, we got approval.
As a district, we had been dreaming about how learning needed to change, especially at the high school level. And we'd been looking at 21st century learning and the kinds of things that goes along with it, but we weren't exactly sure how we were going to get there with our old building.
If there was ever a time that a community or a district could take the conservative way out and just do what we call bells and cells for classrooms and get kids into spaces, this was that opportunity. The school district chose to take this opportunity, actually challenge us and have us come up with a design that actually looked very much into the future.
Kids just learn differently than they used to. Relating everything to real world, the kids can relate better to whatever we're doing with the project.
Every space was used for education. Info links that we created where kids could come together. We wanted to challenge ourselves to create spaces that kids could really connect to. So you'll see different kinds of glass being used, lots of color. You'll see vinyl wall coloring that creates a sense of pride within this facility. Students told us a lot about what's called Eagle Alley. We tried to replicate some of those things that they were very close to and sensitive to that were in their old high school and tried to create them in a symbolic gesture in this school as well. All the furniture is on casters. It all moves. They can reorient it. They can modify it. Walls open up. They swivel. You can write on the walls. And we're really trying to give an opportunity for students and teachers to collaborate with one another and be as innovative as they possibly can.
From the first day that we opened the school and the open houses and the astonishment on the kids' faces and thinking about what they wouldn't have and then finding what was a reality to have in our school was amazing to see their expressions. No, it's not the school that they came from, but it is a different school and it's given us an opportunity along with them to try new things. There's no question that the design of this building is helping in large part some of the design concepts of our new building.